MJ and Pat. So ngayon naman po, kami naman po ngayon yung kakanta. So, yung kanta nila, Say Something. So, ito naman yung sagot namin sa kanta nila. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo?
Siguro yung sagot natin sa kanta nila is being in love is hindi natin ini-expect. So, almost is sometimes always enough, but for us, it was never enough.
Yeah. Alright?
I'd like to say we gave it a try. I'd like to blame it all online. And maybe we just weren't right. But that's a lie. That's a lie. And we can't deny it as much as we want. But in time, I'm feeling so sure. Because sooner or later, we'll wonder why we gave up. The truth is, everyone knows. Almost is never enough. So close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted you, then maybe we wouldn't have been 2 worlds apart. We're right here in each other's arms, and we almost knew what love was. But almost is never enough.
If I could change the world overnight, there'll be no such thing as goodbye. You'll be standing right where you are, and we get the chance we deserve. Oh, try to deny it as much as you want, but in time